welcome back. So these are my nails that I did before. If you watched the previous videos, I did these on my natural nails. I've been doing regular polish on my natural nails only because um, I don't have anyone coming over right now to do their nails, so I kind of have to use my own. And with gel polish, I can't take them off for every upload, so I decided to do these. Plus, I was trying to give my nail like a break, and right there I had on builder gel. So anyways, so I'm just gonna be pushing back my cuticles, and I am not cutting my nails because I want them to grow, but I wanted to have a little bit of extension. So, but you guys do know that when you do an extension, your nails should be shorter than that. And I'll just be I'm cleaning up my cuticles and kind of do like a little like a fill. Okay, it's not a like a fill, it's a fill, because I do have on builder gel right there on my nails, and that helped for the polish to last a little bit longer. And I do wash, my hands are in water all the time, and I have a hard time doing my non-dominant, using my non-dominant hand to do the right hand. So, and I'll be filing up my nails. So yeah, these are my natural nails. Normally my nails just be really, really, really long, you guys. And I don't know if it's age or what, but they would break all the time. Not only that, my nails again is always in water. So I'm not really damaging my nails going this fast. I just speed it up a little bit. So yeah, I kind of know that I should cut my nails, but I didn't want to. So I'll be using my Kiara Sky kit, and this kit is a medium stilettos, but I'm telling you guys, it is pretty long. And won't be doing the one or the two, which is the prep and the primer. I'm going straight to builder. The reason for this is because I don't want them to last long, and I'm telling you, you use this product, all the kit that comes in a kit, it lasts very long. Even when you have air bubbles, they still last long. So I'll just be building the gel. Even though I have builder gel on this, which is Orly builder gel, I'll be doing Kiara Sky builder gel over that, kind of just to have that sticky layer. And I normally pick out my nails before I do this process, but I kind of forgot. So anyways, I'll be doing it after the fact, which I'll be doing right here. And you can see the one that I bought. I bought it because I already have a prey system, which is square, and I have the Chang a prey system, which is his like coffin shape, and so I didn't have stilettos, and so that's why I got it in Kiara Sky. I see that she has shorter nails, but the fact that it come in a kit, and the kit comes with a little lamp, and I already have a lamp, so, but I guess you could order them separately if you want to. So I'm just putting on the full cover tips from Kiara Sky jelly tips, and it's still hard for me to get my fingers sometimes in a little stuff. I have to maneuver it sometimes. I think I just have it at a bad angle. Not only that, the little extension, the cord to plug in is not that long, so that's why it's really at the edge where my outlet is. It's kind of allow the lamp to be kind of on the edge. It's not easy for me to maneuver it where I want to. So, but I'll cut these down to size. Yes, I've cut them before, and they didn't mess up the nails or anything. So I haven't worn extension in over like 4 months. So this is my first. And this one I will be putting in my leaves, my fall leaves design with my foil. So I ended up putting a little bit of builder. But I think it's better to put either a base coat instead of builder, just so it doesn't come too thick. But in this case, I made sure it wasn't thick. And I will cure that for a little bit under the lamp. I notice when I do nails like this and I cure it for a period of time, even if I do it like my press on, even if I cure it a lot of times, like if I'm doing black and I have to do a lot of layers and have to cure, whenever I go to put it on, it shrinks in size. So I thought maybe it was because it was no name full of cover tip. It was like the little from AliExpress, but they've also done it with the apres and also the jelly tip. So don't overcure. So I can't of course put the builder gel on both hands and then work with left, because then I'm left with a sticky right hand when I'm trying to deal with the left hand. So I put on the full cover tips and then jelly tips, and then I went ahead and did my right hand, and I'll be doing the same process that I did, which is just I put it at the tip, and I still get bubbles because I rush. I should say I rush, but it's hard. Like I said, I want a lamp that hangs from the sky, from the ceiling, and just to cure it for a few seconds, or have somebody hold it. And I never have that, you know, have anyone that wants to even take a picture when I'm done, let alone to hold my lamp for 10 nails. So, anyways, what are you guys doing for the Thanksgiving? I hope you will be safe out there and make sure you don't, be safe in terms of the Rona. I might be cooking. My husband wants me to. Well, I should say he wants me to. He wants Thanksgiving dinner. We normally don't have turkey because none of us really eat it. But because we have to eat healthier right now, I'm going to take the rest of the turkey and, blend it and make it into like a paste or like a you know, for sandwiches. Not necessarily sandwiches, but like a wrap or things like that because we're watching our carbs in terms of bread as well. So I have all the nails on and I will be filing them. Another thing that you have to do, guys, when you, before you put the builder gel in the nail, you have to file inside. But I saw a trick that Chung did. He didn't file it. He did a acetone to clean the inside instead of filing each nail. And then he did primer. I didn't do that again because, again, I didn't want these to last long. I kind of don't want them to last like more than 3 days because I'm ready for a new set already. So I'm just going to be roughing up and cleaning around the edges with my Kiara Sky portable e-file, which I'm in love with. I also have the Young Nail e-file, but this not portable, but it's if you don't worry about that, that's also a great e-file to have. So I'm going to be putting on my glitter on this nail. And I'll tell you a little story about these glitter right here that I have. So I ordered them from AliExpress and it showed it was delivered. And so I have 2 addresses to my house because my house is zoned for 2 houses. But the address that I live in, the house is kind of like in the back area where it's an alley. And so the post office a long time ago said, hey, we don't like coming up that alley because we have to walk it. There's a lot of dogs. So you have to move your box on the other street. So our mailbox is over there, but when UPS or FedEx come, they come to the alley. And anyways, that's a long story. But part I want to get to is that they said that AliExpress showed that this product, my glitter, was delivered. I checked all around my yard and it was nothing. So I went to do a dispute. But I still have up the old mailbox in the alley side. And something told me to check it, which if you open it, there's like cobwebs in there. We need to take it down, basically. There's like cobwebs in there. It was in there. So thank gosh I didn't start. I did email them and said I didn't get it. And they asked me to please wait a little bit. And I did. And that's when I texted them. I messaged them. I said, hey, sorry about that. It was in the, wrong mailbox, whatever. But it took a while for these glitter to come, but they're gorgeous. So I'm glad they're to wait. There's out of AliExpress, there's a few times I didn't get a product. But hey guys, I want to say something. So in my nail room, I have, it's either really cold or really hot, depending on the season. And I'll tell you one thing, with Orly, Orly gel polish is always stay the same consistency. I have Madame Glam, I have Kiara Sky. Kiara Sky is, to me, I don't know, Kiara Sky is always watery. Madame Glam gets too hard when it's cold. But my Orly always stay the same. So, hey, if you didn't subscribe yet, please jump out, subscribe, come back in, or, don't even jump out, just click the little button right there. Anyways, yeah, so I'll be using Orly, this orange, which I love, love, love. I might do another orange nails after this. Yeah, so that's what happened with the glitter. And with AliExpress, there's a few products I haven't gotten, but they're always good and giving me back my money. There's 2 things I ordered while the pandemic started, which was the you see the I don't know if you see the sponsored where they take the little French tip and they had a little tab on the tip and they put it on and they twist the tab off and then you have French tip and then I ordered that. I never received it. And I also ordered like 6 little like iPhone holder or phone holders that you clamp to your table and then it has a little thing. I didn't get those and they gave me back my money. And they gave me back my money just the other day for the French tip one. And I love those because I see them advertised on like, your sponsored ads. But they're always like really expensive where you could get these for like $3 or not even that, $2. I was going to order them from a different company, but I haven't been doing nails a lot. I haven't been posting a lot. It's just, just been exhausting, really. So, but anyways, I felt like doing my nail extension, and again, I'm ready to take them off. But they are cute. I know my husband thinks that I'm too much with the bling, but I don't think I have enough bling on this time. So yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna be using a Madame Glam for one of the fingers in order to do a oh my gosh, what am I thinking of? The the foil right there with the butterfly. So I'll be using that one. So anyways, yeah. So what do you guys plan to do for Thanksgiving? My husband will help me cook. He always does. So that's not even a problem. It's just I'm dealing with a severe acid reflux right now, and there's a lot of things that I still can't eat. Like I can't eat rice. I can't eat. I can eat beans and turkey. Normally we're Belizean, so we normally do potato salad or coleslaw, but he likes coleslaw. Normally on Thanksgiving or Christmas I would do a potato salad, but doesn't make sense because I don't. Today's what date? Today's the 12th, so hopefully that with my honey and my apple cider vinegar that I've been doing, this will go away and never return. So you guys know that I love foil. I love it because I don't know how to draw, and a lot of people are so talented with that, and I rely on decals, foils, and things like that in order to stamp in to get images on my nails. And but sometimes foil can be temperamental. I'm using right there the Makartt. I'm sorry. Foil transfer. You have to cure that for 60 seconds, and then go ahead and do the process. So anyways, I will be putting on a builder because I want to put on my rhinestones, and here goes the rhinestones. So I took like literally 2 hours to do this set, only because I had to stop and do some stuff. Came back, finished up, did this, but hey, it is done. So leave and comment below what you guys gonna be doing for Thanksgiving, and if you even be able to celebrate Thanksgiving this year. A lot of people are struggling, and I pray that that's not the case for you guys, and blessings come upon you this season and next season. And it's a struggle. A lot of people are struggling right now, so I pray that we all come out of this safe, healthy, happy, and prospering. I don't even want to say next year. I want to say now, because we need it now, not next year. So hope you guys help each other out, help your family member out. You might say, well, how can I help them out? I don't have any money. So I have a cousin that told me one day she was in line to buy lunch at work, and she's older, and she's like my mom's cousin, so she's like my fourth, fifth cousin. And she was like, you know what, Tracy, I was in line, and this person, asked me for money for lunch, and I only had $5. She said, stupid me. I gave them the $5. And I looked at myself and I said, well, what the heck am I going to eat? And that's when somebody blessed me with lunch. So, I never understand the concept of, I always understand the concept you give and you will receive. And of course, that should not be the reason why you give. But know that you will receive. But I never understood, why am I going to give you when I barely have? How can I help you pay your rent when I can't pay my rent? But you guys, you have a clean heart when you give, and God will find a way. And right now, there's a lot going on in my life, that, and it's all our lives, that we have to rely on God and faith. And a lot of people don't have that. And I sympathize that when people don't believe in God. I'm sorry that you don't believe in God, because, my gosh, everything that I have today is because of Him. Every single thing that I have today is because of Him. My house, my husband, my healthy family, my boys. So, but anyways, I love Orly products, you guys. So I bought a lot of different products because I was new at nails and I wasn't sure what I would like. But more and more, I'm liking a lot of Orly products, along with Young Nail primer though. And the dehydration that I have is a off brand. But anyways, here's the outcome. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy life. Be happy and help each other out. And hey, stay safe. And if you don't have to get together as a family right now, please don't. Because we want to end this so that next year we just come out banging, come out just shooting out. Just open a door. Bang, I'm here. We're healthy. We're happy. Let's start this new year off. Great. Okay. Love you. Be safe. And take care. And take care of your neighbors and others. I love you guys. And thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. And, pay it forward. Whatever it is, pay it forward. Okay? So, another thing. Be nice to your neighbors. Bye-bye.